Hello, hello, hello. This is the fourth video, I think, where I'm showing my editing client that's acted for Assault Cube in an attempt to, increase the or create an editing community around this game. Um, so what I've added now is well, first of all, I added more controller support. You can pretty much do everything now with the controller. You can even play the game with the controller like fully. Um, there's still some stuff, but most of it's all supported now. But a lot of the changes were in the demo system, the main core part. And so ignore the annoying thing above. So as you can see, we have a indicator now for like basically tells you what's enabled. So you can see if you have the hood hidden or the gun hidden. I plan cleaning up this menu at some point because it is extremely messy. But I will clean that at some point. Like if you want to hide the gun, you'll see it and it's now hidden. So you go to the perspective. Okay, yeah, that confused me, but yeah, it's hidden. And then do it again, and boom. And then same thing with the hood. I showed this on the last video, but yeah, if you didn't notice, I fixed it where if you're in this guy's perspective, for example, and you want to go free camp, it will not spawn you in a random location. You'll actually teleport right next to the player. Before, if you went to free cam while at a player's perspective, you'd be spawned all the way back here. I don't know why. But we fixed that. I kept saying we, but it's just me. I fixed that, and then on top of that, we now have a player switcher. So obviously, a key part of a demo system is the ability to switch between players' perspectives. That was extremely buggy in the I don't even think it was possible really in the base game, because I could only ever switch to one player. I couldn't switch between any player, which was weird. But it does now work. So if you go here, you can see you could just do the next player's perspective or the previous players, and it will just switch between them. And again, if you want to go to free cam in any of these, you just do the traditional stuff, which is spacebar to switch modes. You go to fly mode, which is free cam in this game, and then you'll still be near the player. So yeah, it's kind of like other demo systems. And then you can also just, you can just keep doing this, or you could just choose a player. And you can either view them, which will put you in their first-person perspective, or you can fly near them, which will put you in free cam nearby them. So for example, SS, I'll do view SS, and I have gun hidden for some reason. I don't have gun hidden. Why? Do I not see anybody? Is he dead? Why is this who's doing report in? Did I just pick a guy that's like dead or something? Alright, I don't know what happened there. Let's see. Choose player. View Halloween. Okay, okay, that player must be dead or something. I just check for that type of stuff. I don't know. But this is Halloween, and then if I want to fly near him, see now above him. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I just now realized there's shadows in this game. Okay. The next thing is I added my own rewind system because I didn't like the rewind system that existed prior. It was a little too complicated. So if I just click resume and let this play out, back speed. And then also the indicator shows the speed you currently have set. But okay, now if we were to rewind, you would rewind demo, and then we have like presets, and you can also do a preferred. So like 10 seconds, apply preferred, it will rewind 10 seconds. It should store the speed though. I don't know why it didn't reset back to the speed I had it set to. I have to fix that. Hold on. Store speed after changing or after my brain's not working. I haven't slept after rewinding. I had to write that down. Okay. So if you do rewind demo and you do the presets again, 10 seconds. Rewind demo 30 seconds. You get the idea. And then yeah, that works. And then the key framing system is exactly the same. It hasn't changed. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've added so far. Let me show you what I plan on adding, if it would let me, because for some reason it just will not stream Chrome. Oh, it is streaming Chrome. Okay. This is what I plan on adding. This is basically done. Okay, so this is what I plan on adding. I plan on adding separate like render passes, like depth of field passes and beauty maps, stuff like that. Because that will obviously make it a lot easier to edit, especially in a game like this. I do want to add different camera types, which I feel like I haven't seen much in other type of tools, with like so a handheld preset and stuff like that. You know, some kind of camera shake. That's probably gonna be way later. Store speed. Okay, that's the bug fix I had. Implement HUD indicators. So this is good. It's kind of like the indicator that showed you in the menu, but in the HUD, which is nice. And then FOV, obviously, having that be able to like actually have the FOV change dynamically too between keyframes would be nice. Add dedicated binds. Plan on adding everything you could do in the menu. I want to add as a bind for both controller and keyboard. Export direct rendering. It's OpenGL, so I can just do like frame buffers and stuff to like export into an image sequence. And then if you want to turn it into a container, like containerized video, you can just use FFmpeg. But I'm not gonna actually embed that. But you can do that yourself. But I'll just export as image sequences, and then working sky. So I want to do like sky replacement stuff, just generic shit like that. Which is kind of unnecessary, I guess. Now thinking about it, if we're doing like different passes, but it would still just be nice for like beginners who don't want to deal with this. A pitch rotation, yeah, pitch rotation is like essential if you really want a good cinematic, and there's nothing for that right now. So I do plan on adding pitch rotation for cameras, and then this is just the website for setting it. It's the website for the file. So yeah, that's currently the plan. If you got any other ideas, comment them down below. Yeah, okay.